some action movies, there comes with a lot of shots with strong sense of impact. But if you try to shoot these scenes in reality, you will find it hard to achieve the effect presented in the film. In fact, these shots in the movie are all processed, and there are many ways to increase such impact in a video. And today we will show you a very simple way to do that. So if you're interested in this, keep watching. This effect is suitable for some clips with some punching elements, like boxing or baseball. In addition, it is best to use slow-motion clips that feature high frame rate, because this can enhance impact through variable speed in the video. Besides, adding sound effect is also a very good way. Here, let's compare the results of before and after adding the music. And I think you can feel the impact of the video after adding sound effect. First, open VideoProc. Then, import a video clip into the video track. Next, we need to do a preliminary analysis of the video. Drag the progress bar and find the moment of the strike, and use Shift and M to mark these spots. Then, use Split tool to crop out the strikes. Next, we speed up the video. Select the long striking frame. Click on Speed. Select the 4+ in the constant. Click on Apply. Or you can use a time stretch to adjust the speed of the clip. This way we have a clip combined with a fast and slow speed motion. Next, we add a ghost shot effect to the video. This effect can greatly increase the impact of the video. In VideoProc, let's find a clip we just cropped. Copy it to the overlay track. Then, click Motion to enter Motion Editor. Add a keyframe to the far left of the timeline, and adjust the box to make the frame slightly larger. And then, in about 1 second later, add a second keyframe and make the screen go back to its original size. Don't forget to add another keyframe at the end of the timeline. Click Apply. At this point, the effect is not very visible yet, and we need to adjust the transparency to about 0.3. Next, adjust the color of the overlay track. Click Color and Filter Editor to enter the color editor. Add a B&W filter. Make the image black and white. Click Apply. Finally, we'll add a fade-out effect to the clip. So now, a ghost shot effect is complete. Next, create the same effect for the following striking shots using the same method. Finally, we can add a background music to the video and some hit beat sound effect. And then a complete video is ready. Alright, you have reached the end of today's video, and if you want to learn more about other cool editing facts or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we will see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!